Here we come to the elevator kitchen, Las Vegas, Nevada. Look what they have, a Schindler elevator. A brand new Schindler elevator. Let's go to 2. They have a brand new Schindler elevator, and this is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely awesome. Let's go to 1. Oh shoot, I was gonna ring the bell. Alright. Absolutely awesome. These are, I believe these are HT buttons, and this is hydraulic, so it's not much space. But look at that, Schindler. Okay, you got, I'm not gonna ring this.